Welcome to Semester Channel, your semester of endless yet improved learning. Today we're exploring a fascinating human reflex, yawning. Why we do it, and why it spreads from person to person. Yawning is a natural reflex that involves opening the mouth, deep inhalation, and stretching the lungs. Scientists propose several verified reasons for yawning. Increasing oxygen flow to the brain helps you stay alert. Cooling the brain. Recent studies suggest yawns help regulate brain temperature. Social signaling. In humans and animals, yawns can indicate alertness or transitions between activity and rest. Even fetuses yawn in the womb, showing how deeply wired it is in our biology. Yawning is not just human. It's seen across mammals, birds, and even some reptiles. It's often linked to sleep cycles, alertness, and communication. In social animals like chimpanzees, yawning helps synchronize group behavior and may even signal readiness for action. Contagious yawning is a fascinating phenomenon. Seeing, hearing, or even thinking about someone yawning can trigger your own yawn. This is linked to mirror neurons, which help us empathize with others. Studies show contagious yawning is stronger among close friends, family, and even pets, suggesting it's a subtle form of social bonding. Scientists have studied what happens in the brain during a yawn. The prefrontal cortex and hypothalamus activate, regulating alertness and temperature. Deep inhalation increases oxygen and expels carbon dioxide. Stretching the jaw and upper body improves blood flow and helps wake up muscles. So, a yawn is both a physiological and neurological reset. Contagious yawning is more than biology. It's social. It can indicate empathy and connection between people. Studies show that children and adults with higher social sensitivity yawn more when others yawn. People with certain neurological conditions, such as autism, may show reduced contagious yawning, linking it to social cognition. Some fun facts. Yawning can happen anytime, morning, afternoon, or evening. Talking about yawning or reading about it can trigger it. Yawning often spreads faster in social groups than alone. Dogs, chimpanzees, and even budgies catch yawns from friends. You've been watching Semester Channel, your semester of endless yet improved learning. Next time you yawn or catch someone else yawning, remember, it's biology, empathy, and connection at work.
Semester Channel, your semester of endless yet improved learning.